Hi, I made this Sunstone fountain sculpture, so let me show you how I put it all together. Bump it up against the top there. Playing in the mud. Just kind of lifting it like that. I went to great lengths to carve it into his head. You just kind of see a comparison, smaller and more of like a kind of totally not symmetric extra skeletons. And now I'm going to mix the concrete in with this. Starting to dry. Press. Ow. File it down. Make a point. Selenite crystals. The crystals on that and glue them into place up here on top and curve like this. Put this on here. So I have all the crystals laid out. A mortar of ones, and here's my gray ones. That. So I've looked at each stone and I trimmed off the back of a lot of them. Alright, I've done most of the sides here. Taserface. Well, everything's coming along pretty well here. This is our new pug, Mac. He thinks he's a really great helper. There's the still that I'm basing it off of. I am going to do the next step.
Hey, oh yeah.
Clean off the face of the stones a little bit, just kind of dig out. I painted a little shadowing under the eye, but not much. I've got this ladder so I can step on it and not fall in the pond a little bit. Because water will fall downward into the pond. A pump here that I put together. That's pretty cool. Turn that up or down. So here it is. It's all done, it's in its place. Very pleased with how it all turned out.